Hi everyone, this is Amir here with another question from Craig's Mechanics of Materials or Solid Mechanics on the topic of stress resultants. Before we jump into the question, I want to ask you guys to hit the subscribe button on the right corner and support us by subscribing to the channel. Okay, let's read the question together. Here you can see the cross-section of a circular rod which is subjected to a shear stress. So if this is our rod and this is axis X and these are our shear stresses, this shear stress creates a torque resultant like this, which we call T. The equation for this shear stress is given to us, which is thaw equal to thaw max rho, which is the distance from the center of the cross section, divided by r, which is the radius of this cross section. And now the question wants us to determine the value of this resultant torque. So if this is our circular cross section, this is an element from this cross section. So we can call this element dA. So this is our dA. This is the center of our cross section. This will be our r. We can call the thickness of this element d rho, and we can call this distance from the center to the element rho. So this dA will be 2 pi rho multiplied by this thickness, which is d rho. And now, since we have shear stress inside this cross section, at each point outside our element, we will have a shear force tangent to our element. So at this point, we can call it V1. At this point, this is V2. This point, V3. And the distance is rho. So the distance of the force from the center is rho. And each force creates a torque, which is this force V multiplied by this distance rho. So these VIs are equal to thaw dA. And each force creates a torque which is equal to the value of the force, which is thaw multiplied by dA, multiplied by the distance from the center, which is rho. So for T, we can write its integral of thaw dA multiplied by rho, or it's thaw max over r rho multiplied by 2 pi rho d rho multiplied by rho integral, which is equal to 2 pi thaw max divided by r integral of 0 to r rho in the power of 3 d rho, or 2 pi thaw max over r in the power of 4 divided by 4. So our T will be equal to pi r in the power of 3 divided by 2 thaw max. So this will be the value of our resultant torque. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, feedback, or suggestions, please feel free to write for us in the comment section. And finally, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. That's the best way you can support us. Thanks, and see you in the next videos.